Hidden in the heart of Tirthan Valley, surrounded by lush green landscapes and spectacular waterfalls, our destination today is a rare find among the many noisy tourist locations. Welcome back to TBH Feeds, and today we are in Jibhi. इतने लंबे सफ़र और अनकंफर्टेबल रात के बाद थकान काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी, पर जैसे ही हमने नज़रें खोली सारी टायर्डनेस छू मंतर हो गई, क्योंकि 13 घंटे का सफ़र करके पहुंच गए थे हम जिबी की हसीन वादियों में। So guys, we have just reached Jibhi and this is where we are staying. This place is called the Lato Hut and it's a very beautiful resort. There are many cottages and this is a bed for two. The view from the window is amazing. It's a riverside place and as you can see, many of the people are already having their lunches, and if you can see that little jacuzzi, that's where we're going to take a dip after we're done with the lunch. Guys, isn't the view amazing? I think I'm in love with this place. So basically we started our journey from Delhi and I'm traveling with this travel agency called Just Travel. And here forward the plan is that we are going to probably take a dip in the jacuzzi that I just showed you, and then we'll rest up a bit, and then we'll move towards the Jibhi waterfall. So that's the itinerary for today. And yes, of course, the most important thing in Jibhi, we are also going to explore some cafes and try some interesting food combinations and end the night with a nice bonfire. So that's the plan and hopefully it goes well. So come on. And we are traveling from Delhi together with the group, and this is Radhika. Hi Radhika, how are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you liking the view?
It is really nice.
It is very nice. And what are your plans for today?
We are going to the waterfall, then we are going cafe hopping, and after that bonfire.
Yay! I'm very excited. Are we excited?
Yes, very excited.
Yay! So we are going to see a lot of these two in this vlog. So guys, let's stay excited. Okay. हमारे रिजॉर्ट के एकदम पीछे there was a water stream और थकान उतारने के लिए we all decided to take a dip there before moving towards the Jibhi waterfalls. अलग ही चल रहा है इनका. Okay. Guys, this is Rajat. Hi, and we're going to remember him by the name of Rajat Kapoor. Because even though he's not very good at interrogation, but he's very good at being interrogated. Oh, and he's also chivalrous. We don't need hand. We are strong. Strong people. What's up? इस लौंडे का अभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में नई जॉब लगी है. पैसे बरस रहे हैं. बह रहे हैं पैसे. तो बेसिकली ही इज स्पॉन्सरिंग दिस ट्रिप. कलेक्ट करने आए हम पैसे. हम लोग भीग तो गए थे और वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे था जिबी वाटरफॉल. So we thought to hike there in our wet clothes. Not the smartest decision, but उस टाइम हमें बड़ा स्मार्ट लग रहा था. लो जी, पहुंच गए जिबी वाटरफॉल. जब तक हमारी ट्रिप कैप्टन ने एंट्री टिकट्स ली, we explored some little stalls around. ये आप सब हाथ से बनाते हैं?
हाँ जी, हैंडमेड.
और कितने का बिकता है एक पीस?
एक पीस ये वाला?
हाँ जी.
350.
So now we are entering the Jibhi waterfall, and the trek, it was like a little hike that we had to take, but since we were already tired. So of course, that also seemed like a few kilometers. But hopefully it's going to be worth it. इतने सारे लोग, scary. Have seen bigger and better waterfalls, but of course, we had to take a dip in the Jibhi waterfall ourselves to see what's the hype about. And well, it was just that, a hype. Waterfall was sort of a fail, but let's see what else we have got to do in the day. So we are packed and ready to go cafe hopping, guys. And of course, being foodie, it's an exciting part for me. So, all on. So guys, we have finally started the cafe hopping, and the first place that we are visiting is this one. The seating looks pretty, and you can already see the views. So, yeah, let's check it out. Or rather, our last cafe, because we ended up ordering so much here that visiting another one seemed pointless. Regardless, when you plan your trip to Jibhi, do make sure to visit other interesting cafes around here. And finally, the day came to an end with the classic Bonfire. Some failed dancing attempts and many ghost stories. That was a day one in Jibhi. In the next vlog, we'll trek up to the Sarolsar Lake from the popular Jalori Pass and participate in other adventure activities around Jibhi. So do come back, and for more budget-friendly content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TBH Feeds. Adios!